very good. Sa mga farming, sa pagtatanim, ganun, sa pagpapala ng mga lupa, ganun. Tingnan niyo yung ginagawa nila.
Cain was more interested in tilling the soil and cultivating different types of plants, whereas Abel
Yan, si Cain yung naka-red. Yan.
types of plants.
Ayan, si Cain daw, mahilig siya sa pagsasaka, magtanim ng mga halaman, gano'n, sa pagpapala, tinutulungan niya yung mga parents. Pero si Abel, itong naka-yellow,
Whereas Abel took interest in keeping the flocks.
ayan, so si Abel naman, mahilig siya mag-alaga ng mga tupa, gano'n, mga sheep. Nakikita niyo, yun siya, yung naka-yellow siya, yan, si Abel.
Abel was a very pleasant boy, showing affection even to his cattle. And there was an unhealthy competition going.
Ayan, so there was an unhealthy competition. So sabi dito, mayroon daw nagaganap na competition. Parang naiinggit siguro, gano'n, naiinggit si Cain. Tingnan natin.
Developing Cain's mind towards his brother, as we see nowadays in most of the families.
Ayan, nakikita niyo yung mukha ni Cain? Ayan o, parang may galit siya kay Abel. Ano? So para siyang parang may gusto siyang sabihin kay Abel. Ano kaya yung gusto niyang sabihin kay Abel? Ano?
Families. Abel was so generous in all his deeds, showing his respect and love to God.
Yeah, si Abel daw, napakabait na bata daw ni Abel. So, mahal na mahal niya si God, mahal na mahal niya yung mga magulang niya, pati si Cain, mahal niya yung kapatid niya. Ano? Napakabait daw na bata si Abel.
His parents, his brother, and even to his sheep. One day Abel came with a fat, smart goat for the offering to God.
Yan. So, ano yung dala ni Abel? Ano yung dala ni Abel? Kambing or tupa. So, sabi dito si Abel daw, dinala niya, kinuha niya yung mataba niyang kambing, yung pinakamalakas, pinaka-strong, pinakamalaki, pinakamataba na kambing. Tapos niya i-offer kay God. So, tignan natin kung anong nangyayari.
My Lord, please accept my small offering.
Yan. So, Lord, sabi niya, tanggapin mo ang aking offer, sabi niya. Please accept my small offering, sabi niya. Maliit na, i-offer niya kay God. Pero, sa tingin niyo, kay God, maliit ba yun? Or, yun na yung pinaka-the best para kay God? Okay, tingnan natin, para masagot natin yung
Thank you so much, Lord, for blessing me with the healthy flocks I have. Everything I have is out of your mercy alone.
Ayan, so sabi niya, tanggapin mo ang aking offer, sabi niya.